Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the speech controller appear on the time on the screen on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, which is this icon right here. So from the top, swipe down a little bit, you're gonna find accessibility, go into, then you wanna go to the spoken content, and here you wanna enable the speak screen, and this is the feature that we have talked about in another video on our channel, so be pleased to watch that video. And here you have the speech controller. Now it is off, so you need to touch on it and just click on, and now the speech controller is going to be on the screen all the time, and this is going to be this little icon right here. You can minimize it just by clicking this little arrow pointer here. You can click play.
No speakable content could be found on the screen.
As you can see, no speakable content could be found on the screen. Maybe it is going to work here right now in the web.
Close autocomplete. Search. Induce. Choose a dictionary. Search. Advertisement. Meaning of induce in English. Comma share on Facebook. Share on X. Induce. Verb formal. Formal. UK.
As you can see, this is how it works in the web page of the dictionary. So this is it. This is how you can make the speech controller
Just use.
shallow
Thus, comma induce verb. Persuade.
on the time, all the time on the screen. So I'm going to turn it off right now. And in some time it should be just off. So let's close all the applications right now. And maybe if I'm going to close it now, it is not going to be on the screen right now. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.